RDZN stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Roadzen stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. We'll look at this beauty. The price is already freaking bearish. I was saying if I see a double break looking to take it down, I got the double break, and therefore the price should not be going anything higher than 122. And if it does, then I'm gonna record this as a -1R. So far so good. Still waiting, being patient. Before that I got a sell side, which I was stopped out in the -1R. So I have like a rule to not have more than 2 losses in a range. This is the second one, and if I lose that, then I'm gonna chill out on this range. Phenomenal. Key part is banned. I can lose like 4 trades in a row, then win 1, and then I'm still at break even. You know what I mean? 1 to 4R risk to reward. So I do have previous receipts in the Discord regarding RDZN with 2 receipts. And if you want to stay tuned, you know, if you want to get stock picks, emails, and insights set out to you daily for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.